Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some very quick updates for you guys. Now just in case you want to avail yourself an opportunity of winning an RTX A6000, an RTX 3090, or probably you're thinking about getting yourself an RTX 3080, then this is for you. The folks at Nvidia, they do have a very wonderful #Create with Marble contest that is going on right now, and you might want to stand a chance of winning some very interesting prizes. Now, Omniverse is one of those tools that we've talked about before, as it's an open platform which is built for virtual collaboration and real-time physical accurate simulation. Now, this tool is made available and also supports complex creators, designers, engineers, and so on and so forth. And of course, we've seen a whole lot of tools being integrated to these in form of connectors, and for those who like to take a look at these, I'm going to put this link in the description. Now, if you go over to the next link, which I'm going to put in the description, it's going to bring you right over here where you can see Create with Marbles Marvelous Machines. Now this contest has already started from 15th of June and it's going to continue all the way to 30th of July 2021. So if you would like to stand a chance of joining this, you might want to come over to this link and click on the register button and register. Registration is pretty simple. You can just simply register, grab yourself Omniverse, and start creating. And once you're done, you can come over here and hit the submit button and submit your entry. Submission of all entries is supposed to be done on or before 30th of July 2021. And of course, winners are going to be announced mid-August. So if you would like to also see some official rules, you can also click on this button. It'll bring you right here where you can check out for some official rules and see some of the things that you need to keep in mind while joining this competition. Now, the cards which you'll be winning for first place is RTX A6000, which is valued at $6,642, and the GeForce 3090 RTX that is valued at $1,499, which is approximately $1,500. And for the third place, there's a GeForce 3080 RTX that is valued at $700. There's still going to be 5 honorable mentions, but right now we have no idea what those guys are going to be winning, as these are the listed prizes right now. So for those who like to take a look at this, probably you want to join this, I'm going to put a link in the description that will bring you right here, and you can see these marvelous cards are waiting for you to pick them up. So all you need to do is grab yourself Omniverse, which is for free, and use the collections of the new Marbles RTX asset within Omniverse Create and start doing some lovely stuff. And for those who like to get inspired, there are some images right here that can get you up and running, and you might want to check them out. These was from the first edition, and you can come through and check these things out, and probably you can get inspired by them. And of course, you might want to read up on some of the things that you need to keep in mind and how the submission is going to look like. And that's about it. For those who like to take a look at all of this, link to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.